simple Java password reset program from scratch. So java.import.util.scanner. That will let you import the thing. Yep, I'm pretty sure that is correct. I think I'm being lied to. Oh, import Java. I think I'm still learning this. So now obviously we need a thing which is scanner se equals new scanner system.in. Brilliant. And then it is, so theoretically it should be a string. Yeah, I think it would be a string for password. So string pass equals sc dot next line. Beautiful. So we've got the input and it is that. So theoretically we should probably be like system.out.println type your password. There we go. So now type your password, scanner, input the n, and I'll get it typed. Right, so we need to get the password length. So count equals 0. So that was set. What's wrong with the oh yeah, int count equals 0. So that will like set count. So for I equals, because in Java starts on counting from 0, which should be 1, and there's pass dot length, path dot length, and then that. Oh, it's where I is less than that, so that goes like that. Then it is I plus plus, and then we do the thing. So what's wrong with this? Int I, we need to declare it as int. Then after that, so it is for every value inside that, I plus plus 1. So should it be, for every time the loop runs, is count plus equals 1. That should theoretically project work, I think, because it's obviously, we let it compile, blah 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 blah. Okay, so okay, boomer. Oh yeah, we need to also output the count. System.out.println. Why has that happened? Println count. It's being meant. I'm going to run the project in Java. And what it shall do is it shall compile. Yeah, it shall compile. Okay, then type your password. Okay, boomer 8. Beautiful. So now we've got the password. So now what we need to do is we need to make sure the password is at least 8 characters. So that is if count is bigger than or equal to 8, system.out.print println well done, your password is long enough, and then else too short. System.out.println too short, way too short. Okay then, So you run that, and it's like so. Runs compiling. It takes a long time to run, you know. Look, I know you're getting everything and all. Okay then, so look, too short. Well in. So it works. Good job. So what else we need out of a password? We need it to get inputted again. So it needs this kind of blah 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 blah. We need that to go into this. That. No? I apologize profusely apparently. Okay then, done that, and there we go, SC1. Okay, let's get rid of numbers out of this. SCS, pass 2 equals that, and so now they'll get the password again. Type your password again, and then pass to SCS as next line. If, and then that is pass 2 dot equals pass 1. Is that not right? Apart from that thing, so what's wrong with it? Cannot find variable pass. Oh, that's because it's not called pass 1, is it? It's just called pass. So what's this for? That's for the if counted. Oh yeah. And now it's system.out.println. Well done, your password is changed. And then else system.out.println you failed. Okay then, so we would run this. Very quick, very easy stuff. Run lot. Okay, password. Okay, boomer. And then okay, bloomer. And then you failed. Well in. So that is like a basic password changing thing. So like obviously took a password, you checked if it's 8 characters, and it printed out the result. Very easy, very simple, done.